out. And I'ma show little mamas what this dick is about. Cause it's a damn movie in the back of my liver. They didn't want it on me, so they escaped this bitch out. It's all it feels good when you're drunk and you're buzzing. Forgot who you was and tried to smash your cousins. So shake that ass like a tree in the wind. Then she gon' migrate with me and two of her friends. They let all four of us in, and after hours it's popping. We buzzing like bees, but it ain't no pollen.
They wish they had